Okay, so you've decided you want to make some money using affiliate marketing. Well, if you don't have a plan or a strategy for affiliate marketing, you are going to fail. So I'm going to get myself cleaned up. I'm going to hop on the computer and I'm going to show you exactly how this is done. Welcome back, everybody. It is Paul Motley here, and we are talking about passive income, but not only that, we're talking about getting specific on your affiliate marketing strategy, because if you don't have a strategy, you are going to fail. So let me point out a couple of real quick things so you can get to learn how to get yourself above the rest and that you don't fail. So this is how it normally works, right? So you go get yourself an affiliate link to a product or service. You then send loads of traffic to it. Hopefully people will then go ahead and purchase it. You get your commission. Job done. You are rich, right? Well, actually, no, this is not how we want to do it, because a lot of people will go and spam the links out onto Facebook groups. They'll send DMs to people. They'll send them texts. They'll do all this sort of crazy shit, and it doesn't really work. People don't like it, and please do not do it. So there is a better way, right? Let's start with your number one strategy to really making success out of an affiliate marketing business. And in actual fact, if you go ahead and watch a lot of YouTube videos, or even if you purchase affiliate marketing products or coaching, this is what people teach you to start with, right? So I want to run through this exactly real quick, because there is some good stuff in there, but you're still missing out on that secret ingredient that is going to come later on in this video. So make sure you do stick around. So this is how we're taught. Right, you send the traffic, people go to an opt-in page, or classed as a bridge page, right? And then they will enter their email address, their name. They go onto an email list, which is super cool, because that means you can email them forever. It's your asset, your golden ticket to affiliate marketing success. Hopefully they're going to make a purchase. You're going to get a commission. And there's a lot of people out there right now which are doing high ticket sales and earning anything between $200 to $300 per sale to $500 a sale, $1,000 a sale. In fact, I recently saw a poll on the internet on Facebook where someone had actually made $30,000 from one sale as an affiliate, which is pretty cool, right? And as we all know, if you have an email list, you are going to be able to send out more offers to your email list, which is going to get you more commissions, right? So we won't harp on about that too long, because I do want to get to the most important part of this video. And this is it. This is your keys to the kingdom. This is the most important part of any affiliate marketing strategy that you might have or not have in place to start with, right? You need to be building a list, absolutely, but you need to make sure that you create that bridge between the person that you've sent a link out to, or they've seen a link and clicked on it, to the offer itself, right? So let me go through this in a little tiny bit of detail so you understand what you're looking at right on screen right now. So everything we've taught before, you see an affiliate opt-in page, okay, which is normally like a promise or something they're going to get for free. They put their name, email address, they get on an email list, super cool. But this is the one step that most people as affiliate marketers miss out on, right? And I've highlighted it right here, which is the affiliate bridge page. Now, if you are not doing this and you are just going straight from here, right, to, I didn't even show it on this, but if you're going from that one right to that one, you are going to miss out on so much commissions. It's going to be unreal. This affiliate bridge page is the key to the kingdom, right? So what can you do on this affiliate bridge page? You can actually go on video talking about why that person should go ahead and click and get the offer. What bonuses can you actually offer the person as an incentive to go ahead and get that offer? Now, I did this recently. In fact, it was actually January of 2021. I was getting a $200 commission per sale. But the big thing was I offered bonuses. I offered my personal time. I offered lots of cool stuff, which complemented the offer in the first place. And that was what made the difference. I easily made over $2,000 in a few short days just by using this concept alone. Now, if you want to have an idea of all this, I'm going to post a link in the description of the video where you can go ahead and get some free training, which is going to help you you out getting those affiliate commissions. And of course, as always, if you haven't yet, then please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you drop a comment, a like, and all that good stuff. And I'm going to post a couple of really cool video ideas for you around this video as well, because ultimately YouTube loves it if you stay on the platform. And of course, why not watch some more of my stuff? So I'm going to share that with you right now, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's been short, it's been sweet, but it has been cool.